What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Kevin here with your Sunday, December 22nd Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. Today it's another beautiful day here on the slopes with temperatures ranging up to about the upper 20s with some light winds coming out of the west-southwest. So all around a great day to be here. We have 20 trails, that's right, 20 trails operated by 7 lifts today. The park has been moved over to Hitchcock with 5 features, 3 boxes, a tube, and a small jump. But make sure you grab your park passes at the customer service desk. Only $5 and they're valid the entire season. In case you missed Santa Claus yesterday, don't worry, we have him here again today as a special guest in the Granite Room from 1 to 2 p.m. So make sure you stop on by, say hello to him before he heads back up north to get those presents ready for us. Check out our events calendar at Wachusett.com for any and all upcoming events. Alrighty folks, that's all I have for today. Make sure you check out all our social media, Wachusett.com, and these snow reports for any and all updates. I'll see you guys on the slopes. Have a great weekend.